Hello again and welcome to this 2-minute tutorial. Now I know last time I said I was going to wrap up talking about trigger links, but I was lying because I couldn't resist just showing you this little bit of fun with trigger links. So I've loaded some extra samples in here. We have a generator hum, which sounds like that. We have a switch, that sounds like that, and we have a thud. And what we want to program in here, I've just added a bit of effects and adjusted the sort of tempo and speed of these just to beef the sounds up a bit, which is fairly straightforward to do within Trigger. But now I'm going to, I want, when this switch goes, I want to hear the generator wind down to a standstill, and when it finally comes to a standstill, we're going to hear this thud. So the way we can program that is we'll go into button properties and we'll add a link for this button, and we're going to dial in the generator hum because that's the target button. It's the on fire event, and this time we want to slide the speed, and we're going to open up the parameters, and it's going to be over 4 seconds. And I'm going to slide it right down to 0. And once it finishes sliding, I want the target button to stop playing. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the button properties for this generator hum, and we're going to add a link for that. And this time we want to trap the on finish event, and it's going to target the thud, and we want it to fire the thud. So when this finishes playing, it's going to fire that sound effect there. So if we listen to the net result, we have the generator hum, we have the switch, so those are, that's an example of the sort of things that you can do with the trigger links. Okay, hope you've enjoyed watching today's tutorial and you'll join me next time. I promise to move on to another subject next time.